This is day 17, part 2. Yeah, how's it going, Tomer? Let's see, posted at 2:30, or almost an hour ago. How's it going, Half Moon? Oh, I see. You just posted something. Oh, at 3:19. 10 minutes. Is it really 9 minutes long? I guess so. Died 40 times. I mean, yeah. Let me see. Okay. So I have some. I told this to Mr. Glick because I think I'm gonna change the mechanic up a bit. We'll still have like those like difficult rooms. I'll probably make them as like secret rooms and stuff. Like I said, didn't miss your stream today, this morning. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. I am streaming like basically on opposite ends of the day. Like, oh dude, I saw 21 and I was like, what the hell? It's not my time. What was I trying to say? Yeah, like I'm streaming on opposite like times of the day. So like around 3 a.m. and then around 3 p.m. for me. So like whatever those 12-hour parts are for you, it's usually like, you know, horrendous times, right? So like either it's, you know, one of my times don't work for anyone, you know, usually, except for me because I'm crazy. Give yourself five minutes. Yeah, we're using Tomer's speedrun. So some Tomer's speedrun as like a break. Yeah, I just woke up, but I just took a caffeine pill, so I'll be good. Also, I have some cool new. My stream's gonna be a little short today because I have a in-house Valorant tournament with some friends. So it's like me and 9 others, and what we're doing is sober people versus non-sober people. In your house? No, I mean in-house as in like it's only people I know. Like usually whenever I play Val, it's like, you know, 5 people and we're a team against 5 strangers. What are you? I'm the non-sober, so I'm gonna drink. So I have to end the stream early also so I could go to the store. Non-sober, yeah. Will we stream it? I'm not gonna stream it just cause, yeah, I won't stream it. I have 4 more difficulties with chapter 3 than chapter 4. And the faster portals are much better. Nice. Hell yeah. You have more difficulties with chapter 3. Okay. Here, actually, I mean, we already know this. I guess we could see the traps. Like, yeah, we'll look at the traps. Oh, you guys are gonna see. Some of you haven't seen what updates I made to these traps yet. They're kind of nice. It's more polishing. It's the same mechanic, but I did some polishing. You can also climb them now. Originally, you couldn't. Alright. So I assume you got used to it. Oh. Or relatively, like, you'll probably get more used to it over time. But yeah, I'm gonna change it. I think what I'm gonna do is the same way the portals act, you know, where you dash into it. It's already acting in a similar way. Basically, when there's input, I have the time to at most 2.0 seconds. But now what I'm gonna do is you might have to dash from this instead. So I'm gonna make the timer either. I think 0.5 seconds is a decent amount of time. And within that time frame, you have to select a direction. But if you don't, but if you want to dash out early, you press B. But if you press B, within let's say you press B right away, it won't shoot you out. It'll just half the time, and then it'll be 0.2 seconds. Or like it'll be we'll figure out the times. I'm probably gonna make it 0.2 seconds just because that's the time. Actually, it's technically, we'll figure out all the metrics, but basically the neutral state is 100 milliseconds. The dash state is 200 milliseconds. Portals are 1 second, but if you dash out, it's if you dash out right away, it's 200 milliseconds. But yeah, this mechanic is not exactly the portal, so it might be a little quicker. We might make it so that if you press the dash button, we make it 100 milliseconds. The portal is actually kind of long, but that's because I wanted it to be in the same pattern as dashes. So yeah, if you dash a little early in the portal, it'll just make the time 2.0 seconds, or it makes it at least it makes the time at most 2.0 seconds. 0.2 seconds. I'm still waking up. Goddamn. Yeah, you're much better here than you were yesterday. For sure. And I will say, it's very satisfying when you're good at it. Like, when you get it, it's like, it feels good. I'm just worried that it's going to be too hard for people. And so we kind of have to make it, we might have to make it easier, and I hope it still feels as good. But yeah, it's only good if you're good at it, and it's like, are people willing to spend that much time trying to get good at it? But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna work on it today. We'll see if this new version can be good too. Did Hellraiser? I don't think he played it yet. Yeah, you're already doing so much better. Because he's the average Memori. Yeah. It might be harder for him. Like, honestly, I don't know. Actually, no. It might be just as fine for him. But I will say, when I play on the controller, this mechanic makes my thumb hurt. Because, like, I am holding for dear life on the D-pad. Like, you have to, like, make sure that you're precise. So, like, your thumb, like, I don't know, like, the base of your thumb is, like, being stressed the whole time. Dash on shoulder button should fix it. Oh, dash on shoulder button is not a bad idea, actually. If he beats it in under 8 minutes, I'll machine a golden Jacob trophy out of brass for him. Oh, look at that. You're good at it. Nice. 958. Congrats. Can't afford gold. Can't afford gold? Good job. Any skips? Oh. So I haven't updated the hitboxes yet, so that might not be a thing forever. This looks really... I like this. I really like this. Oh yeah, half moon. You're working. You really this? Is that what I wrote? Where is it? Oh shit. Oh shit. I really this. I really. Yeah. Like I said, I just woke up. Okay. Let's get to it. Always working. Uploaded a game. Oh right. Today is feedback or Spotlight Saturday. Okay. I was gonna play Shity's game too. All right. When Shity comes in, we gotta work hard, cause I know Shity's game is a little, it's pretty long, and might take a decent amount of time. But maybe we'll do it like a Pomodoro today. Let me see. What's the difference between Spotlight Saturday and 7.5K FIP showcase? Honestly, there's no real difference. I guess you could do the showcase thing like on a non-Saturday. The channel reward existed before I even had the Spotlight Saturday or decided to do the Spotlight Saturday. Okay. So here, I'll show you guys what I did. Some of you probably might have not seen what I did this morning. So here's what okay, so I added animation, so they die out. It might be hard to see, but there's like a transition animation, so they come out, like they grow out, they explode like that. You know, they don't just turn off. There's like an animation that plays. Little subtle things like that, and then also check this out. Some cute little like sounds. And then also you can climb it now, so. Very satisfying. Yeah, I like the sounds too. They're very cute and like, you know, it's just like 1 pixel. A lot of games do this, right? I mean, it's not like a unique thing, but it matches perfectly. I want to do more of them. But yeah, I like the sound. Oh shit. I'm not as good in this room, but I think I'll probably update it. Oh shit. Yeah. But yeah, that's the things that I added. I'm still thinking about adding particles as the fire instead, because like we could create a whole bunch of variations with it. But I also like the fact that it's repetitive, like it's the same texture. I don't know yet. We'll see. I like either one. I could go either way. But I guess the only issue is that these are the only 2 textures, but yeah. Sekira suggested you might notice that they actually are random. So like each of the animations are actually random here. I think. I've also split the nodes, so like this is one sprite, this is another sprite, and then the fire is another sprite. So they're all like unique objects. So they're actually it used to be they were all it used to be just one node here and then the fire sprite, but now it's like 20 different things. We need to add like particles to this as well. All right, let's get to it. Also, I made this my new wallpaper. Someone suggested it, and I think it looks good actually. But it's also like very I would say like I made a post about it. on my Instagram. I was like, oh wow, like the person who like makes their own like makes makes a wallpaper of their own video game, you know? But I think it looks nice. Maybe it looks good for like the stream. Sounds like you need some fan art. Maybe. But I do like the simplicity of it. Like it looks, it looks clean. I like minimalistic backgrounds. Okay, let's open Obsidian. You just add to your game, yeah. Let's see. No, I don't know. I don't think there's anything I would ever want to put on my body, or like that. Like the only thing that I think I would ever be proud of to like put on my body would be like, I don't know, if I started something, like either like I guess a video game or like a company. But the thing is, like, who the hell puts their video game name on their body, or their company name on their body? Like, it's kind of weird. Binary would be cool, but yeah, it's also like, I don't know. I'm very like self-conscious about being like cringy over time. So like it'd be like, oh yeah, this is my game in binary, and it's like, well, are you nerd? Get out of here, nerd. You know? I'm gonna go back to work. Alright, sounds good, Huffman. Alright. Update hitboxes for Firebox, we did this. Transition animations for Fireboxes, we did this. Extra mechanic for pressure plates, doors. I mean, we can do this, but Chapter 4 is too hard. Easier levels. Visual bug with rooms. Chapter 1. And okay, yeah. Game is 1 gigabyte. It'll take over his entire body. The game actually will be less than 1. There's like a lot of files in the game that are unnecessary. A lot of sound files that just are hanging around for no reason. They have no business. But yeah, we'll fix it eventually. Okay. Let's see. Right, chapter 4. Again, I'm still waking up, so hopefully. Alright, so how the portals work currently is, or like how the portal dashes work is, if we go into teleport, we actually added this recently to the, let's open up player 14. Let me also back up the game. Oh, sorry, player 16. Let's go into GitHub desktop. Updated, we'll say polished. Polished fireboxes. Added transition animations and stepping on. Just finished the demo? Oh, you were quick. Oh, I should have asked you to like record the gameplay. So I'd like to know how you played. Oh, you did? Nice. Send it over. But yeah, this mechanic is gonna change like right now. 26 minutes. That's not bad. I was gonna say, I said quick because Tomer, well, again, Tomer played when it first came out, but it was like 5 a.m. for him, or like 6 a.m. It was like pretty late. Okay, let's go into chapter 4. We're gonna look at updating this mechanic ASAP, and hopefully, maybe I'll just release it like the second we get it working. I'll release it. Finished near 6 a.m. The run took over 75 minutes. Dude, the rest of the run was like 6. What? Finished near, Dude, the rest of the run was like 6? What do you mean like 6? Love chapter 2? Yeah, I'm glad you like it. I just updated it too. I don't know if you were here to see it. Oh, I see. It's like 20. I mean, to be fair, it's completely new. You guys already know how to play chapters 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's hear it. Did you post it? No. Really that. I really kind of really this. Haha. I actually feel dyslexic. Cooling down from that. All right, let me know when you post it. We're gonna see if I can get this mechanic going. Okay. Force dash. We're in the neutral state, so. All right, I think I technically already have something here. So let's go into. Is this while in state? Let me see. While in state. States dot neutral. So if force dash, if cut time in half is equal to false, then we do this whole shenanigans right here. So yeah, what we're gonna do instead is the same thing that we did for the portal, which is set a minimum time. So right here it says force dash time left. We say neutral timer dot force time left. Var force time left is we cut it in 4. Interesting. That's a little quick. That's our neutral state. Oh yeah, I guess we made a point. This is very quick. I'm pretty sure this is like 100 milliseconds. Did I always make it one? That seems like way too low, to be honest. Oh wait, but it's 0.5. Wait, what calculator? 0.5 divided by 4 is 125. I mean, that's still pretty low. We're gonna do this. Force dash time left. Neutral state timer. Let me see what time we set when we first start. I think it's 0.5, but I don't remember. We're gonna do some game testing. If I see anyone, you posted something, right? I could play your game. Here, let's do this. I'm gonna do 30 minutes of work. Because my stream is gonna be ending short. Let's just set a Pomodoro. Every 30 minutes, I'll do a game. All right. Okay. Let me look at enter state real quick. States dot neutral. If enter force dash. Yeah, we set our timer to 0.5. So I think we're gonna leave it at 0.5. But yeah, actually, what I'm gonna do is call this forced dash neutral state duration. I'm gonna make this into a variable. We set it to. You need to remember it's equal to 0.5. Neutral state. Neutral state duration is 0.1. Force dash neutral state duration is equal to 0.5. Okay. Isn't Pomodoro some pasta thing? Probably. No. I don't know exactly where Pomodoro came from, but yeah. All right. So let's go back into while in state. Let me look at actually teleport portal real quick. So this is in state logic is where I added it. States dot teleport. Um, so this whole thing is basically the script in a nutshell. I'm just gonna copy this, and then we'll replace it with what we have in while in state. So while in state, states dot neutral. All right. Ooh. Right here. All right. So if force dash. Okay. I'm gonna rewrite this right here. We'll comment it out. Just gonna put this in. All right. So if reduced cut time dash is equal to false. Okay, let's grab this. Let's get rid of this. I'm gonna have to scroll out for a bit so you can see everything. Let's get rid of these print statements. So we're not changing our state. What we're doing is we're gonna set our timer node to something else. So here, let's see. If this is here, let's grab this. This is the other thing that we can do. So if there's wait, not movement input. So what we're gonna do instead is instead of checking for movement input, we're gonna check for dash input. Dash input actuation. I'm wondering actually if I want to put not dash input actuation. Well, we'll see. Either dash input actuation or just dash input. I'm gonna try dash input first, because ideally we want that. And then left click hold is true. Technically, it might just be left click. Well, we'll figure out the edge cases. And dash input does not. If dash input is equal to true, or input controller, if timers.teleporter time. So we're not going to be using this time anymore. We're going to be using our neutral state timer. So if our neutral state timer node dot get time left is, whoops. Damn, YouTube says 18 minutes to upload. Oh, that's crazy. All right, well, it gives us time to finish this up. What's here? Expected indented block. If, yeah, I think we can zoom in now. Here, we can actually full screen this. There we go. That's better. What's going on here? If force dash, right. Okay, if cut dash time in half, is that the, okay. Cut dash time is equal to half. First, we want to make sure that we set it to true right away. If the player pressed the dash button. Next thing we want to do is if neutral timer node dot time left is less than our, not our wait. It is less than, what did we call it? Neutral, forced dash neutral state duration minus 0.2. Then we say if it's less than, what did we do originally with our code? I think we said just go, like now it's time to exit, which is basically we need the neutral state timer node to stop, or like to finish. And I wonder if we could just say neutral state timer node dot stop and then neutral state timer node dot just actually maybe we can just say dot start and make it I wonder, we say stop and then we start it again. Oh wait, neutral state timer node and then neutral timer node dot start. These are two different nodes. What the fuck? I feel like these are the same nodes, but for some reason I have two names for them. Neutral timer node. Neutral state timer. Let me see this. Neutral timer node. Neutral timer node, and then what's the other one? Neutral state time. What the hell? Teleport duration. Neutral state timer. Neutral. Oh yeah, it's the same thing. Neutral timer node and neutral state timer node. It's the same thing. Okay. I was like, what the hell? Okay. So what I'm thinking we'll do, I think we could just say dot start. And I wonder if we set it to 0, will it work? Because that's what we need it to be. My biggest problem with the forced dashes was when I enter already holding some key, I come out right away unintentionally. I actually did that intentionally. Let me see. Not come out right away, but you see here, I did that so that we'll see. I had some edge cases that I thought I was handling, but maybe what you were pressing is something else. We'll have to see. Yeah. How you play also might be different from how I played. And yeah, that's why I wanted to see how people played. I also added the click inputs for you, by the way. I listened to the people. I was like, oh, let me do this real quick for Mr. Glick. I think if you make the wait longer when you press a key, it might wait longer. Shouldn't it be the other way around? When you're pressing a key, it's already done. It's locked in. If anything, I would just make if that was the case, then I would just make it so that there would be no fast timer. But what I'm going to do instead is make it so that it's the same time. Have it now. Oh, you're saying make it longer if you're pressing a key. But I feel like it's not intuitive. You know? What I'm going to do is make the time 0.5. And if you press the dash button, we make it just not longer than usual. I'm going to try this first. I'm going to try it like this. It's going to work. Have you tried how the new dashes from the portal work? It's going to work in the same exact way. All right. I need to think because this is. I'm thinking maybe I should just rewrite it because like trying to work it from how it worked in the portals is like I think it's confusing me. I think I need to just rewrite. What did I do again for the portals? Yeah, let me look at that real quick. Because I mean I know what I did, but there's I feel like there's an edge case I'm not thinking of right now. State logic. Oh. States dot portal dot teleport to okay, so basically if there's no input if there's input from the player and the time left is less than our teleport duration minus 0.2, so basically if 0.2 seconds have passed, then we're allowed to just change this state into the dash state. Otherwise, if 0.2 seconds haven't passed, we just make it whatever is left within those 0.2 seconds. So it's just like an extra timer. Maybe we could have just created an extra timer for this and just set it to that time. That's another solution. That would be a quicker solution, to be honest. But we don't know. Yeah, I guess we could do that. I think it would be a lot quicker too, just to have an extra timer instead of doing that math shenanigans. I mean, it could work it could work this way, but also adding another timer doesn't hurt. Who has already tried it? Not to mention, getting some part in chapter 4 first try is the best feeling ever. Yeah, that's the conclusion we came up to as well. Is that it's really fun if you're good at it, and then just really frustrating if you're not. Okay. Trying to think. Should I just do it with the maths? All right, let's do it. Okay. I also need to refactor some of this. I'm done with like going back and forth in the same script. Even with like filtering methods, it's still too much. I'm tired of going back and forth looking at like what needs to be updated. All right. Let's see. Okay, if cut time in half is equal to cut dash time in half is equal to false. We don't want this to run all the time. Only if there was input. Okay, no wait, yeah. If there's input from the player, cut dash time in half. It's not technically in half. It's like whatever. Like it could be half or it could be whatever. It could be just go. Okay. And this else statement needs to be here. And we're going to remove this. And I think that's all we need to do. And then we have to just replace this with this. Dot start. Neutral timer node dot start. And then the time left. Minus our whatever we have here dot time left minus 0.2. 0.2 seconds is the duration of a dash. The duration of a dash, which might be too long, but also maybe that's good. But I'm gonna try 1.1 seconds and see how that looks. So basically, if we've surpassed 1 second, if we surpassed 0.1 seconds, then you'll dash. Hopefully this just works, and we only do it once, and we should probably print the time left. But let's just we'll print out the time left. Print time left in forced dash. Neutral state. And actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Oh, sorry, what the hell? Time left. I'm gonna put this at the end. And that way we can see if it actually gets cut. Okay. I'll leave this commented out because, I don't know, maybe one day, well, if this all works, we'll get rid of it. The parts where you mixed between the force dash and the portal spring slash prings was also. Oh, I like that room too. Yeah. All right, so let's see. So now you have to wait for the whole thing to finish. But if you, okay, so right now nothing happens. It doesn't seem to work properly. You see? Yeah, nothing's happening. Let me see. Oh, if force dash. We didn't actually check for if it's equal to false. If dash input is equal to true. Let's see something. Trying to cut in half. Only if you press dash? Yeah. Well, I'm trying to make it only if you press dash. Trying to cut in half. Wait, what? 0.2 and then it goes up to 0.5. Okay, we're increasing it. We just did wrong math. If neutral timer node dot time left is less than because we put force dash neutral duration is 0.5 seconds. The time left is less. Wait, what? 0.2. I'm pretty sure this is 0.5, but let me just print this out. One of these should be happening. Force dash dot start. Okay. Force dash duration. Run is uploaded. Okay, I'll look at it in just a second. Let me try to get this done first. Okay, yeah, we're trying to cut it in half, and it's getting set back to 0.5. Like it's just restarting for some reason. Force dash the time is correct. We set this to true if neutral time time left. It seems like time left minus neutral timer node minus 1. I assume this is what's happening, but let's see. Or maybe because we set it to 0, it's like this crazy 0 doesn't work. Let me see. Yeah, if you set it to 0, maybe it's just like, whoa. Yeah, 0 doesn't work. Okay. So what do we do? How do you end I mean, we can just set the variables instead of running the timer. But I'm just curious if there's a way to do it. Godot end timer early? We could just run how can I end a timer? Timer start, emit signal, timer dot emit signal, timeout. Okay, yeah, this is what we want to do. Maybe we should maybe this is the same exact thing I should do with the portal technically. There we go. All right, so how it works now is the run is slow, low res because I don't want to wait for full. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so this is how it works now. You can see I'm spamming everything on the bottom. What's gonna happen is, okay, I'll pause it. You see we're at 0.4, then 0.45, then 0.4, then 0.38. At this point, the second I press the dash button, we're gonna dash out. And that's because 0.1 seconds has already passed. But if we were to spam it, oh shit. I mean it's 100 milliseconds, so it's very. Let me see. At 0.8, 0.6, 0.05. Wait, what the hell? Time left and force dash. These times are. Oh, you know what it is? It already worked. Okay, so you can see here the initial time is 0.48. It's been reduced to 0.1 at this point. Yeah, I'm actually interested as to why it's exactly. Let me see something. Okay, it won't. It's hard to tell. It gets automatically set to 0.1. I wonder if it's because we're already. Let me see something. Yeah, it gets automatically set to 0.1 instead of like the difference. So like right here you can see it says 0.43. So it should be actually 0.07 seconds left. Oh, I think I know why. Time left minus maybe it shouldn't be time left, but it should be duration. Let me see what the I feel like it might have to be force state duration minus time left. Let's see. So it goes from point. Time left is. Wait. Try that again. Why does it say time left in force dash is 0 seconds? Wait. Oh wait. There we go. I think this is right now. Although wait. No, this isn't correct. Let me see something. It's set to something higher. 0.48, and then after the timer is done, after we've cut it in half, it's set to 1.3 point. See. Let's just do this. Let's just do the math and see. Perhaps you suck at coding, yeah, perhaps. So it's 0.5. Time left is 0.48. 0.48 minus 0.1 is 0.38 minus 0.5 should be 1.2. Oh. Maybe it is right. Wait. What's 0.48? Let me see something. That doesn't make sense. 0.48 plus 0.13 is 0.61. Yeah, it goes above. Let me try. Maybe it is supposed to be time left. I feel like it was supposed to be time left. Let me look at portals because I think we got the portal ones working correctly. States. Teleport 2. Should have a reward. Preferably something loud. It's not a bad idea, actually. Time left. Minus. Yeah, we do the same exact thing here. So. Why the hell is it not working? Okay. Let's go back to while in state again. It might be that I'm printing it because I'm printing it early. Maybe because it goes, we're printing it the next time over. Time is already passing by. I think that's why. If we printed this here, technically it would be more accurate. I think that's why. Because the next delta is being ran. So we're splitting it on the, like, once we see it the next time over. I think that's why it looks weird. What we should do is just spam it like right here. And then also print it right here. Time left when we change time. What, did I miss something? I feel like you guys were just asking, like, perhaps you suck at coding, blah 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 blah. Numbers are weird for me. When you set my max speed to something in Godot, it always slightly above the actual number. Didn't even mention how I like Chapter 1's new and deserved look. It's so cool. Thank you. Why is there a web in the air? Because I can't be bothered to edit things right now. Okay, time left in force dash. Alright, so let's see. Time left in force dash is 0.43. Time left when we change time. It's set to 0.1. Okay. 0.43. Time left in force dash is 0.43. Here, wait. I'm gonna do this. Just cause, see, it says time left when we change time. But let me just copy this. Dot start time left minus. Time left before we change time. Okay. 0.46. Time left before we change time is 0.46, and then we set the time to 0.1. Alright, so maybe this is correct, actually. So you are dashing soon, but it should be, the time left should be... Alright, so time left is 0.46 minus 0.5 minus 0.1. Let me see something, calculator. So 0.5 minus, actually, let's do time left, is 0.46 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.00666666, and let's just wait, is this correct? Why does it say... Oh, we accidentally... Dude, what the hell? Come on. We're like so close to getting this to work. Alright. Oh my god. Alright, I'll play your game soon. Give me 1 second. We just need this. We need this to get... It's the Pomodoro thing. 0.46. Let me try this again. 0.46 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.36. And then... minus... Oh wait, it is 1. So should it not be the... What value am I supposed to put here? The total time would be... forced... Maybe it's supposed to be this. Force dash neutral duration minus 0.1. But the thing is... I feel like one of these values is incorrect. Where NPC is just staring at the screen, but I want to see you guys do this. I want to see you guys try to make this work. I think we got it. Time left before we change time is 0.43. The new time left is 0.3. Yeah, there we go. So what did I do? Force dash duration minus 0.1. Okay. Hydrate. Thank you. I wonder if I made the same mistake on the portal. Why is everyone roasting him? I think you guys, you're just frustrated that you're bad at chapter 4. You're mad that, like, I have to fix this game because it's a skill issue. Yeah, I think I made a mistake here. I mean, we put, time left is equal to time left minus 0.2. Let me make sure that this is right one more time before we set it in stone. All right, so time left is 0.43. Yeah, 0.43. Okay. And I also want to see what happens if we press it late, like super late. If we press it super late, trying to force 0 doesn't work. Yeah, there we go. Ugly stream, bad stream. Whoever gets better roast can get a kiss from me, or gets a ban. Yeah. You tell him, Half Moon. We're gonna ban everyone here actually. All right, so honestly, I don't know if this is gonna make the game harder because now you have to like input. Oh my god, it's gonna be confusing. I think, especially if you want to spam it. Alright, this makes the game so much easier. Let me see something. Yeah, I think this is the portal has to work the same way. So let's just update the portal too, and then I'll play Juho's game. What happens if you get banned? You can still watch the stream if you get banned. You just can't watch, can't type, basically, I think. Ban me forever? Alright, so yeah, I'm pretty sure this needs to be teleport state duration minus 2. We'll look at it. Here, let's do this. Teleport duration before split. After split. Okay. We need a room with portals in it. Also, I want to try out how this game plays with the controller. I feel like it's going to be much easier. Right now, the timer is set to 0.5 seconds. Oh my god, 64 message deleted by moderator. Oof. So yeah, if you make your second input something else, like trigger, like the right trigger, I think, dash input would be technically true, so you can do whatever you want. Like you can, here, let's try it out. Controls. Oops. Let's make this, so climb is going to be, oh shit. Okay, yeah, just set it to L2, and then dash, I'm gonna set to R2. Save it. Alright, so now, okay, wait. Right now it's saying if dash input. So we need a hold dash. I think we don't have that yet. Let me see. Neutral state. Cool, spitting fire right now. Chu, are you upset that I'm not playing your game right now? So is that why this is happening? If dash, if dash input, yeah, we're gonna have to make a hold dash. Let him do his thing. All right, yo, what is there actually something going on in chat, or is this you guys just bullshitting? Who is the sun? Me. WTF. Yeah, what's going on in the chat? Okay. All right. One more thing to do is make sure instead of saying dash input, we could make it so you could hold it. So if you are fast enough, you could just speed run it or just hold a button. So input controller, we'll say we don't have a hold button yet. Alright. Holding dash. Where's our dash? Dash input actuation. Where? Do we not have a... Oh. Dash input. Oh yeah, dash input is equal to true. Okay. We have the same thing I started adding for the mouse button, but we're going to do the same thing here. So hold dash is equal to false on dash input. Dash input is equal to true. Also hold dash will equal to true. What is this? It's not equal to 0. Dash input, hold dash. Player node dot force dash direction does not equal 0. We should make this a memorize node. Hold dash. Should I put this here? Wait, let me see. When does hold? Oh, left click hold is set here. You know what? I think we're gonna do this on. Yeah, we might as well just leave it here. If action just released. Yeah, we'll do it here. Okay. So it's basically the same thing as like actuate. It's basically the same thing as dash input, except you can hold it for the speedrunners. The dog annoying everyone, therefore stop barking. Oh my god, guys! All right, no mas, no more. We're good. I can't even tell if people are trolling because you guys. Yeah, like. Seems like people are trolling, but you can't even tell because it seems like this is a normal conversation people could have. But I think I have to end it. Oh my god, dude. It's actually feels like it's more What's going on here? You know what? I don't know if it's because I'm playing on controller, but this seems significantly harder compared to what we just had before. Wait. What the hell? Dude, what the hell is going on? All I did was what was it? Dash input originally? Dash input seems like it felt better, but now you can't really hold it. Let me see. But honestly, maybe that's fine, because it does change like how the game works if you have to press. Let me see. Honestly, maybe this is better. Or maybe I'm just used to it. I don't know. Let's see this. I feel like if you want to actually be good at the game, you have to like spam it real quick. Another thing that we could do is maybe, because you can't spam this button, let me see. You can. All right. Yeah, this mechanic is way easier now. But I think we're gonna leave it like this. What I might do is add another mechanic where you can make it automatically turn on for people, so like it'll actually reduce the timer to 0.1 seconds. Maybe that'll, like, for the speedrunner, that way they don't have to worry about pressing dash. Or we could just leave it this way. The thing I'm concerned with is that, what if you just hold dash? It doesn't work if you just hold dash. I tried making it work that way. Yeah, I'll try it again. This is with holding. But the thing is, if you're holding, then it might be difficult for you to go back to, like, to press. If you're holding and then to hold and then to have to dash again, you know what I mean? Unless we made it so that you can hold dashes all the time. So like right now you can. Would you guys want that? Being able to hold a dash and then dash out of the neutral state? So yeah, that's the only issue. Like, holding could make speedrunning this a lot easier, but it'll screw up your dashes, in my opinion. Unless maybe, yeah, because look at like how crazy this looks. Trying to think what would be a better solution. The another solution that I can think of is that also wait, what the hell is that? So there's actually technically dash input when you press this. If there's dash input, I need to make sure dash input is set to false. Because what we do is our timer actually is still running, probably. By the way, you can just look at the gameplay. All right, let's look at that. But yeah, I'm thinking, wait, give me one more thing to do. If we keep this, oh wait, because it's hold dash. All right, I'll have to look into this. I think for now I'm gonna leave it as dash input, but we'll look at it soon. All right, Drew, I'll play your game. 49 minutes, first run. Nice, Jan. If you're here. Where'd you post it? Did you post it anywhere? I don't see it. Submissions. I should just push this up from Next Fest. Alright, I don't really care about the rest of the chapter. I'll see you play chapter 2. Even though it's pretty easy. Yeah, we fixed this bug where, like, you know, if you spawn in one of the fires, you don't die, but now you do. When is this area finished? No idea. Well, I'll probably finish it. Honestly, we might finish this whole thing by, like, if I can figure out how to make chapter 4, like, easy or, like, better, I'll probably start working on this chapter right away. Oh, nice. Alright. That was that. Alright. I'm gonna watch this on 2. Oh my god, this is... The whole video is chapter 4. I'm gonna watch this on 2.5 or 2.0. Because I already know. I mean, I'm already changing the mechanic. Because I was eating? I see. There's supposed to be a secret here, but I think I ran out of secret images. If you dash into that, it might crash. Not a secret, a collectible. No, honestly, you're actually not doing bad. I mean, on 5 speed, I mean, on 2.0 speed, it makes it seem like the game is so hard. So it actually makes you look better. Imagine if the game was this fast. Like, you have to... Oh, you got it, like, right away. Oh, you're also using mouse controls. I forgot. It's different from... I don't use mouse controls. Are you using mouse controls? Or are you using both? The mouse controls in later levels? Yeah, I was thinking it might, like, something might be wrong with them. That's why I was thinking maybe to, like... I mean, you can use both, but I might originally what I was going to do, it was based on the mouse position, but because, yeah, because it's gonna be very difficult. I thought, yeah, you have to click out of the portal of the orb to actually input it, and you can also use, like, if you have the brain cells to, like, use both of, like, use both of your hands and use both for, like, different inputs, then go for it. But yeah, I thought, yeah, it was gonna be kind of hard. It's gonna be easily shorter, but I'm very rusty. Yeah, that's fair enough. I get that. And also, this mechanic is going to change. Alright. You're gonna spend some time here, I know. This is probably one of the... Yeah, this room was pretty hard when I first started. God damn. Are you clicking here? Can't tell because you're, like, moving your mouse everywhere, but I can't even tell. Like, oh yeah, I think you're using your keyboard now. Are you using WASD or arrow keys? So it seems like you're using mouse here. Or maybe not. Can't even tell. Keyboard. Chapter 4 feels disorganized. The first portal levels were way easier than the levels before. Yeah, they will get easier. So it's supposed to be like the pattern is supposed to be like, they start out easy, they get harder, then it goes back to being easy, and then it goes harder with the portals. Maybe the portals are maybe the portals are easier in the current state, but maybe it'll probably be harder portal rooms. kilobytes. Chapter 3 looks the best. I think it has a lot of potential. Oh, chapter 2. The one with the traps. Yeah, I think it'll look pretty good once it's done. Oh. Oh, you're not dead. Oh, you got lucky. You're lucky the hitboxes are like shitty right now. Alright, this is the last room, and it's gonna also probably take you the longest. Yeah, we're gonna be watching this for a long time. Let's just pink. Yep. Chapter 3 has a lot of potential. Yeah, this is definitely the hardest room in the game. Or not the hard. I don't think hardest room in the chapter for sure. And like oh, it looks like you're so good in 2.0 speed though. It's like, whoa, how is he doing that? You know, it's like you're a ninja. But then this is what it actually looks like. Like, look how slow this is. It's not nearly as exciting. I'm kidding. Reality is often disappointing, yeah. Also, when's the Mac version dropping? Soon. Soon, actually. There you go. Nice. Maybe there's a secret there. Oh, no. Maybe it's on the other side. No. Dude. Alright. Nice. Here, I should bring this up to... Oops. Should probably just have a speedrunning... I mean, speedruns and submissions is the same thing. Gonna try to get sub 5. Surely it's possible on this version? Yeah, probably. Found this recently. So is this actually a game? What the hell is this? Kanye is king? I already know the volume is probably going to be super loud. Yo, how's it going, Rayman? Wait, this is the same game? What's this? Oh, you can't control these. Did you update the game at all? Oh, you did update it. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Shit. Adding keys would be pretty cool, too. Shit. Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Dude, what the hell, bro? No, I just need to time it correctly. All right. Dude, why is this game so hard? Okay. No. This is not aim, this is just... I hope you reset it so that we can play this room, because if it restarts, I'm gonna quit. Okay. You want me to switch between these two? How am I supposed... I need the accuracy to, like... It's kind of difficult here. You should add keys, I think. Keys would be so much easier. Or, like, more fair. Because, like, having to click on these is kind of annoying. Like, I don't have the ability to switch between all of these. Especially when I have to, like, wait for this one, and then this one's already going to be done. Try to air click on the top left so it goes... What? To air click the second spike on the top left. What? Try to air click. What does that mean? What are you talking about? Air click. Oh, what the hell? I didn't even know that was possible. But this doesn't help. Either way, I have an idea. can't scroll down? Middle click, scroll right. Sensitivity. Repeat while holding? I don't know how to set this as a keybind though, or a macro. Is it this one? No. This one, right? Toggle. M? Is it M? No. How do I... Dude, I don't get it. Oh, I see. Here, middle click, or here, I'll do it on scroll right. And there we go. And what do I do? No repeat. Repeat while holding. Sure. All right. It's not fast enough? Game's a little too easy, I gotta say. Try putting one of the golden spikes. What? This game is a little too easy, I gotta say. Oh shit. Oh fuck. The last one needs skill? This is skill. This is... You know what they say? Work smart, not hard. Is this the last room? It's not the last room, is it? Alright, let's see. Oh shit, you can like... Wait, what the hell? This is something. You can spawn kill them. How can you spawn kill them? Alright, let's see. Put the spike on the platform again. Oh, I see. And I just have to worry about... Oh shit. Wow, that was a little too easy, actually. Ugh. Gonna go to sleep. I'll see ya. Peace. Alright, great stuff. Where is... Okay. Wait, but this is just your game, right? This is just the same game? Oh, you made two, I see. You deserve a price for this? For this show you put on? I'll see you, Tomer. Alright, should I just release this demo? Let me see. Let's play it out. Oh, let's see. Actually, I'm gonna do some play tests real quick. I want to see if hold button is the right approach, or not. Wait, did I turn it off or turn it on? I forgot already. We turned it off, the hold button, and I think we're gonna leave it off. What you can do is, let me see. Yeah, I'm just concerned controller is gonna be a lot harder. Let me see. See how slow that was? And then here. Oh wait. Oh wait, you know what? It actually might be the same. No, it is faster, but maybe I'm just faster because I'm better with the controller. Celeste-inspired game? Cool, thank you. Yeah, we're currently working on this new mechanic. We're trying to figure out how to balance it. Yeah, we had some people play it last night and today, and originally it was based on your input. So if you had any input on this node, it would set your time to I believe 0.2 seconds, or maybe even 0.1 seconds. You didn't have much time to think before you had to switch over. And now it's based on your input. So if you dash early, so originally you have 5 seconds, 500 milliseconds to dash out, or basically pick a direction. And then if you press the dash button, it sets the minimum to basically it sets the minimum to 200 milliseconds or 100 milliseconds. And if those 100 milliseconds have already passed, then you'll just dash out. So if you spam it a little early, it'll be a little delayed. Actually, yeah. But that's okay. It allows it makes the game feel responsive because there is almost like a pattern to the dashes. The amount of time that it takes you to progress, actually. Yeah, the amount of time that it takes you to progress through this level will be the same. Like the top speedrunner of this level in particular will get the same amount as second place. It's just a matter of getting that part perfect. That specific part perfect. Or even these rooms in general. There is an optimal amount of time that you could spend in this room. Polishing is hard. Yeah, indeed, it is hard. Especially with mechanics that are very time-based. I'm still not used to. Originally it was just based on input, which made my life so easy. Now it's how does this work? We could make it a setting where you can. That it just automatically sets to 0.2 seconds. Also, I don't know what it is, but it feels like the game is slower. I guess it's just slower because of this new input type. I guess that's what it takes. I'm sure I'll probably get used to it. But yeah, it's two different, doing diagonals is already hard enough. And so doing diagonals and pressing the dash button can be slightly annoying, but maybe that's... Let's see if we can get this. I'm gonna try it on keyboard, actually, on controller. I mean, yeah, it's possible to get perfectly, but... Goddamn. Another issue is that if the timer goes out and you accidentally dash right after it shoots you out, then there's another dash input from you. So then you might do another extra dash afterwards. So I'll have to figure out what to do there too. Here, you know what? I'm gonna update this. I'm gonna upload this version and have people play it. See what they think. Do you somehow clear the buffer when you dash out? Yeah, I do clear the buffer. Well, so there's a bunch of timers in the game, but one in particular that like. So yeah, dash input for whatever. Like if you here, I'll just show you the code. Basically what happens is if there is dash input from the player, dashing out, dash input does actually get set to true, I'm pretty sure. We don't actually check it here. Maybe I should. Maybe I do have to set it to false. Let me see. When we go into the dash state, let me see. Dash input is equal to false on the entrance of the dash state. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Yeah, on the entrance of the dash state, no matter what caused you to enter the dash state, dash input will be set to false. Except can dash is set to true. I mean, this whole thing is running through first. Let me see something. I wonder. I don't think it's bugged or any. I don't think it's an issue, but who knows. Basically, if you press dash right as you exit, the time has to be like. It has to be like a really weird edge case. See, the thing is, you've already entered the neutral state at that point. So technically there is like a possibility for you to dash unintentionally, but the thing is like it's fair, you know, like it's technically following the rules. Like usually there are certain like edge cases where like if it seems like maybe there should be a buffer put somewhere, I do put it, but for that particular case, some people want to dash out immediately once they enter the neutral state. So we can't just turn it off, but that means that people who unintentionally press it are going to experience frustration. Decisions. I mean, I think people will still get used to this version. And I think it definitely is more... I think it is beginner friendly, or at least more beginner friendly from what it was before. I'm still trying to get used to this new change though. Because it's almost just as fast as the original. The only difference is now It's almost just as fast. So if you're a speedrunner, you have to be really precise. And, yo, how's it going, Desired? Yeah, it's almost just as fast, but now there's also extra input required from the player. So it's like, oof. Yano Yano. How's it going, Desired? What you up to? Yeah, it is pretty difficult. Shady Games with the rate of 2. I was actually waiting for you. I was like, where is Shady? I wanna play his game. Building some DevOps tool. The usual. Nice. What's up, Shady? God damn. Indie dev life. Yeah, I get you. All right. Yeah, I'll play your game. Let me just play through the rest of this demo. I'm just gonna. I don't expect anything different will happen, but God damn, bro. But it is so different. Also. Oh my god, bro. I can already tell. I don't know if I should do something to make this less frustrating, because it. You know what I could do? Nodes that are really close to each other force you to dash faster. That's one thing that we could do. What's up, mate? So I'm currently just working on. We recently added the demo. Yeah, I recently released a new demo, and this mechanic was a little too hard for people. It was based on input. So originally, you would have, when you picked a direction. You see how you pick a direction here? Your time would be cut in half, and you would get basically like 0.1 seconds to decide where to go. Now it's based on input, so you have to dash out. But the issue is now that there's extra input required from the player if they want to speed run, and they also have to select which direction they want to go to. So it's like, while it's easy, I think it'll be easier for the new player. It'll be very difficult for the speedrunner, I think. Or maybe not difficult, but very punishing, because you're gonna want to spam it basically. So now there's like this extra input required from you. But you can also take your time. Like, you don't have to speed run in it. You could just, I could literally do this. Oh, well, I still have to dash out. Let me see if it's even possible. Can't it be based on a global timer? It's already based on a timer. Yeah, so it's already based on a timer. You have 500 milliseconds to decide which direction you want to go. This is me not pressing anything. Besides movement. Oh, actually, wait. What the hell's going on here? Oh, dash input is still registered here. Oh yeah. We want to make sure that if we enter the dash state, if we enter the force dash node, dash input is set to false if it was already pressed. Okay, let me just do that real quick. It says slight bug. Let's do this. Activate node. Bum, 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 bum. Let me put this in the notes just in case too. Dash input. All right. Shreddy, by the way, I have to end the stream like at 6:30, so I'll have like an hour, little bit more than an hour to play the demo. I know you said it's like 2 to 3 hours, but yeah. All right. Let me just add this quickly, and then we'll get to it. If you play 10 minutes already, very kind of you. No, I do want to play the whole thing though. It looks very good, by the way. Yeah, and if anybody else wants to play, it's on the Discord. I'll share the link once we're ready. Well, let me just go into activate node. Did I make the music? No, I didn't make the music. Where is our okay, yeah, force dash box. We do the force dash. Enter force dash. If enter force dash is equal to false, enter force dash is equal to true. Force dash. Yeah, I wonder why we didn't put dash input. Dash input. I think actually this is going to be input controller. Dash input is equal to false. False. Okay. I think that's all I need to do. Let me just make sure. Reset dash input, dash input. Just trying to make sure. Okay, I think we're good. So yeah, the only issue is that dash input is actually set on a timer. That's another example of that like buffer that you were talking about, Zemio. There is a buffer where like if you press the dash button before a dash is actually registered, you can still enter a dash. Or before you can dash, if you press the dash button, you can dash. It's sort of similar to like if I jump while I'm still, if I press the jump button before I actually enter the ground, it'll still register to press jump. For like 0.2 seconds or maybe like 0.1 seconds. Just so that the game gets like a responsive feeling. So the same thing happens with these dashes here. If you press dash before, like, you know, when you press dash you turn gray. But if there are certain scenarios in the game where you can turn white again mid dash. So what I do is if you pressed it again while you're close to the end of your dash, I think it's like 50 milliseconds I want to say, will register that and you'll dash again. But it wasn't. So this is one of those scenarios where you did get your dash back, but we don't want it to happen here because it would create like an unexpected exit. So we don't do it there. The only time you press dash is when you're like technically you would press dash right before you entered. So that would be considered resetting a dash, so we just wanted to make sure that wasn't the case. Because it usually gets set to false again on the dash input gets reset when you enter the dash state, but you're technically not in the dash state when you hit these orbs. You're in the neutral state. Oops. Playing the demo right now on Steam while I watch, dude. This is so good. Oh, thank you. And back. All right. Yeah, I think we'll leave it like this. I'm gonna update this demo right now. So the demo that you're playing on Steam doesn't include this. If you want to play the new demo, I would just have to see you around the stream a little bit more often. Cause yeah, we're gonna make a channel reward actually, for people who want like the latest version. But yeah, it's kind of like a closed play testing. But yeah. Let's go into... Yeah, let me just export this real quick. Export project. We'll call this 0. Memori demo 0.4.0.1. Save it. It's currently saving. So just make submission only for posting, so limit the number of posts per minute or even hours, and some speedruns for chatting. Oh, I see. Okay, that's a good idea actually. Good idea. Okay. Okay. Let me just go on itch and update this version. Where's my new profile? Because it's not a public game on itch. Or the new version is not. Dashboard? There we go. Change the display name. Alright, while it's uploading, let's just make sure it works. So I'm not sure. Well, yeah, I mean, oh shit. I think we didn't reset our player position. Let's see. Oh wait, chapter 2. I think I didn't reset my player position. Yeah, where the hell is our player? Yeah, the player got mixed up over here. Honestly, it's not a big deal. You get to play the, you know, I'll just leave it the way it is. And you guys get to see the new version of, here, wait. I guess I might as well just export this again. Bits and bed pack. Okay. File exists. Overwrite. Oh no, we're gonna have to. It's gonna take a hot minute to re-upload. Let me make sure chapter 1 is also good. World demo. Alright, I think everything is good. Oh, shit. I don't know if it's saved. God damn it. Let me export it one more time. You know, I'll just call it 2. Okay. What the hell? What's this TMP? I think it's fine. All right. Can you send that? Oh, yeah, I have the link already. I think I already downloaded it too. But let's see. Escape spam. Oh yeah, we did. I did. Okay. No Steam. Virus. I trust you. I think. Wait, did we already check? I feel like we did this yesterday, maybe. But no audio setting in it. No audio setting in it. Okay, so you're saying I have to change the volume. You're saying it's gonna be very loud when I start it up. That's what you're saying. Oh yeah, that's what you said. That's literally what you said. Alright. Wait, let me quickly play my demo on the executable just to make sure it works. Samio, thank you. Godot. Afterlife. Oh, by the way, for anyone interested, Shady is another game dev, so should definitely give him a follow. Should have done that earlier when you rated me. All right, where is it? 4.0. All right, I think it's good, but let's run it, see what happens. So far, nothing's happening actually. What the hell? There we go. By the way, are you rolling this demo on itch or just on Steam? On Steam or just on itch? Just on itch. For now. Because this is not nearly... Oh, what the hell? We start out in this room. Whatever. If you want to play the... Shit. God damn it. I mean, we can go into... Chapter 1, but... Alright, I mean, it works, but... Oh my god. It should have spawned us in chapter 1. Alright, I promise this is the last thing I'm doing, and then we're good. So I'm gonna make a reward. If people want the second chapter, I can give you the... Sorry, if you want the 4th chapter key, I can make it right now too. Goddamn, we're like short on time because I need to play Shady's game too. 3K? You think 3K is good? I think 4K. I stream 8 hours a day, at least. It's so easy to get 4K. Test world. I'm not like the other streamers. Nowhere, don't rush. I'm rushing. Did it finish? Alright, let's play it before we actually... In 200 points, I can curse your credits with my name. It would be an honor to have you military. Did the audio just like freak out for a split second? Did you guys hear me? It, like went crazy. Dude, what the hell? What is going on? No. Dude, I'm like... I keep... Here, let me see what happened here. Oh, yeah, I wrote test world. Not world demo. Alright. Goddamn. It's like I have something wrong with my brain. I keep adding. I keep going up. So now we're at 4.0.4, and now it's like, oh, he's making so many updates, but it's literally just me screwing up every time. Either OBS is bugged or the worst stroke, or it's the worst stroke I've ever seen. Release jitters. Is something still going on? Is the stream buggy? But you're completely... Mouth ain't moving? It's moving for me. Here, I mean, I could... You know, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let me just delete this because we know we're going to make a new version. Audio's desynced. Okay, I can try... I'm going to try There's... Here, wait. Let's see if I deactivate my camera. I can restart my stream. It's going to be kind of crazy, though. Also... Yes, Spotify isn't working anymore. I think everything just broke. I think my drivers just, like, went to shit. Still broken? Alright. I think what might happen is I have to restart my computer. Maybe. Possibly. What I will do is... Wait. Let's just make sure the upload works. And then, yeah, we'll just make sure that this is set in stone. And that way, yeah. It's done, and then we'll play... Shidy's game. Here, wait, let me just make sure. Or maybe me starting the game again will fix everything. What? Oh my god, no. No. Who is doing this to me? Someone is screwing with me. There's like a... Everything is going to shit right now. Dude, what's going on? Alright. Okay, I'm restarting my computer. Alright. Am I back? Okay. We are back. Is everything good? Can you hear me? Testing, testing. Now you're in sync. Music is up. Alright. Let me, please let this game work. Let me just make sure. I should have just ran it in the game. I don't know what the hell's going on. Oh, I probably just didn't save the level manager. That's why it didn't. When I exported, it just exported what we currently had. Okay. Shady. Sorry, I'm baiting you. Said I was gonna play this game, and I'm like, hey guys, just watch me work on my demo instead. Let me just run it from here. Let me just check level manager. Test world. Oh my, what the hell? It never saved. Save, please. All right, there we go. Project export. Come on. Doom, 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 doom. Did it work? Dude, someone out there is like fucking with me right now, actually. I don't know who it is. Someone is. Whoever you are. What do you mean by that? I'm just kidding. Isn't it a sentence from a movie? I don't know. I was just bullshitting though. Like some entity, and I was like, some god is just like making nothing work right now. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, moment of truth. Will this crash my game? Will this crash my computer again? Let's see. You know, it could be the fact that my computer says it wants to update to 11. I should have declined. As long as you don't get isekai, you'll be fine. Technically, this game is an isekai, kinda. Finally, god damn. All right, let me go back into my menu real quick. Let me just make sure chapter 2 is working properly, or free mode, medium. Come on. Level select chapter 2. All right, cool. Cool. Chapter 4. All right, awesome. Only took a little bit. All right, let's upload this. Let's scan. I'm sure I scanned your game already, and it probably said no viruses, but we're gonna do it again. What is this? Trojan? What is this? I'm sure it's fine. What's the website? Itch. Don't update to new Windows. I can't cancel it. Wait, let me look this up. We'll look it up later. I just keep, like, you know, if I press restart, it says update and restart. I just keep pressing restart or, like, sleep to avoid it. And I think at 12 a.m. it's going to say it again, but I just got to make sure. I don't know. RIP dev workstation. Yeah, honestly. What do you use? I just use a random website. I don't actually know how well it works. CrowdStrike Falcon. Unable to process file type. Virus total is well established. I mean, it's the top Google result. I don't actually know how good it is. Okay, let's go back into my dashboard. Yeah, you can see my revenue. Look, raking it in. Memori? No, wait, Edit. Okay, well that's uploading. I'll just trust you, Shady, even though this result is pretty shady. Get it? Shady? Like shady? I don't even know. It just says as malicious. Flag this file as malicious. Whatever this Jiangim. But I've seen this before in other games. So I don't know. I think it might be fine. Unless I just have multiple viruses on my computer already. What do I want to do? How to cancel Windows 11 update. I tried doing this. Let me try. Type services in Runbox. Okay. I hope I don't like dox myself in some way. I'm gonna do it in Runbox. Okay. Set Windows Update to disabled. Stop properties. I can stop it. Oh, disabled. Startup type. Setting Windows to disabled. Okay, so if I go, still says update, but I think we fixed it. I believe you, Shady. I believe you. Did we do it? I mean, I set it to disabled. I set it the startup type to disabled. Is that all I need to do? Alright, let me make sure. Let me go to like another website just to make sure. Most trustable source. Windows updates. It doesn't let me. It's like, it says my device will restart. I hope. I hope it's fine. Here, pause. I'll just pause it every 7 days for forever. Until we release our game, I'll keep pausing it. Okay. Let's play Shidy's game. Oh, save. What do you call this? Memori private playtest. Makes it sound prestigious, you know. You gotta be cool to play my demo. Quickly, come on. What's a good image? I'll just do this one. Page. Okay. There you go. Version 0.5. for anyone interested. Well, anyone who is able to. If you're an OG, you can play it. If you want to play it, you have to spend 4,000 fake internet points. Okay. We'll set that up after we play Shidy's game. Alright. Enough talking. Oh shit, what the hell was that? Shidy game. I wonder what this red line on your desktop, on your website. What red line? Are you talking about the one on the virus checker thing? I looked it up and I don't remember what I looked up. I think it's not that it's malicious, it's that it's unknown. But again, I don't even know if the website actually is legit. It's just I think the precautionary thing that I can do for downloading random games on the internet, you know? Okay. You warned me. I didn't listen. You did warn me. Okay. I love the UI, I love the sounds, the environment you've created here is really nice, I gotta say. You're new to the market, right? That's fine. We have a little issue with some void outlaws. Units roaming where they should not. They're criminals. Killing whatever they have in sight to steal their stuff. They do not have any honor. Okay. Oh, is it best? By the way, is it best played with the controller? Seems like you have controller inputs allowed. Are you using Apollo? No. Controller is dope for the game? Okay, cool. Dude, this looks so good. Oh. The sound is also really good. Never mind. It's a color palette. There's like dithering in the background too. Do you do all of your own art, by the way? Conglomerate representing the whole humanity. Big ship looks badass. Yeah. This actually looks so good. I love the like it's like it's the same thing I have in my game, but the sound that you use as like the input is like clean. It's like very like this is Shidy's game, yeah. Oh, Shidy, just post a link by the way for anyone else who wants to play. I'm not really reading anything because I hope it doesn't matter too much. First contract. Oh, I ran out of bullets. I overheated. Okay. Okay, can I make one suggestion? Maybe you have it in the setting, but I feel like the UI is so small. I'm not sure. Also, I'm not sure why I'm collecting these, but I'm sure they're important. Like seeing that I'm overheat, or like bringing the overheating thing. Maybe I don't know. I'll give you a suggestion, but don't listen to me. Like, just use your best judgment. Like the UI that you're using to like show a lot of things, I think is very small. Personally, like maybe. Oh my god, I'm becoming a bullet hell. What did I want to say? Yeah, seeing that I overheated like closer to the screen would be better. And I was thinking like, oh, you can make it look like, I have the, what's it called? The, oh my god. Like I'm through the perspective of a cockpit almost, like my UI is a cockpit, and it's like closer to me, So I can like just look slightly to the right or like in my peripherals. Noted. Okay, yeah. It's good. Like, I think it also looks really good, the UI. So like, you should maximize on that. Like, make it a part of like what makes the game look attractive. Yeah, and I mean the whole overheating thing. Like, you can even just make it so that like maybe the windows turn darker or like something in the UI turns a little bit more red. Basically, the most vital info will be placed at the same top right. It just says top left. Most recent UI is like the hardest thing I think for people to make lately. Also, what did the green orbs do? Does it like reduce my oh my god, I'm like I can't talk and play. Oh my god. We're not doing so good. Oh yeah, okay, these orbs do reduce my I didn't know what they were doing. Oh shit. Is this a boss? He's a pretty small boss. Bro, he's not even shooting at me. I'm sure maybe he has a second phase. Also, should I overheat or like should I? Yeah, it seems like I should not overheat. The sounds are really good too. Until it resumes. So it's better to not overheat and like just let it go all the way up. Oh, or like... Dude, I love the sound. I might take something similar for my game. It just sounds juicy. Earn chipsets. Yeah, so you can avoid the 5-second, right. Doubled up. Customization. Weapons, paint job. Nice, we have skins. Firestorm. I assume I have no weapons yet. No mods either. Which one did I just do? I assume it goes in order. None. They're all easy, but this one I assume pays the most. Alright, yeah. Oh wait, this one also pays high. Does it matter which one I pick? Are they new missions, or like are there repeatable missions, or it's kind of just like whatever I want? Also, how does it work? Is it like... What happens if I lose? Do I have to restart, or like... It's a story mission. When you have 3 picks, you have procedural contracts fillers. I see. So right now this is a filler mission. The sounds are really good. Where'd you get these sounds? Did you make them, or did you like get them from a pack or something? Or are you like a little combination of both? I'm just gonna wait for myself to... Yeah, dude, this is so good. Okay, so I kind of want to give you some more... I'm trying to think of more criticisms I can give you, because I really do like it, but I want to... Yeah. I want to hurt your ego, but I can't, because it's good. I feel like you can make the game a little bit more juicy. Like, yeah, just polishing some more. Also, like, yeah, these things are really small. The collect... Like, getting my cooldowns reduced. Oh. Also... collecting those cooldown things should reduce your overheating, I would say. Oh my god. Because then there's no point of collecting them, it seems. Or maybe there is. Maybe... Aren't for cool... Oh, they're not for cooldown. Oh, it's like points? Like, money? I thought they were for cooldown. Alright, I have 33 HP. Oh, if I destroy his thing, he... That's pretty cool. I gotta say, the boss fights are a little too easy. I think what you should do is like introduce maybe other mobs just to add to the complexity. The mobs are much harder than the boss fight. This easy boss is key to teach the fact that you can destroy the rep. I see. Okay. Okay. I mean, I feel like you could have taught that and make it hard. Wait until level 10 or so? Oh, I see. Alright. Alright, can we customize anything yet? Nope. Alright, I do have to go in 30 minutes. But yeah, I'll keep playing this until then. And does the everything save? Like if I run this again, it'll save everything? Autosave? Nice. Okay. And what happens if I die? Does it just restart? Oh shit. What resolution do you use, by the way? Oh, asteroids. Nice. Oh, dude, that one taps you? Went from 0 to 100. Imagine colliding with an asteroid? True, true, you're not wrong. What I think you should do, maybe, is also give a warning for the asteroids. Shit. If you want. There is a warning? Oh, maybe I'm just... I'm blind. We'll see. Oh, I see. Warning. I think it's better if you put it on the right of the screen, like, you know, like just show where. I guess you want to make it random. Oh my god. I guess yeah. I mean, I guess it's subjective how you want. Oh shit! I didn't mean to. Oh. I guess I'm used to certain playstyles where yeah, like it warns you, you know, on the right of the screen. But yeah, you just have to get used to that playthrough, that playstyle. But my justification for it is like like this is a side scroller, but as a person like pretend you're the pilot, you would technically see it coming from a mile away, sort of, you know. So like showing it on the right side would not be a bad idea. But that's, yeah, it's a design. Also depends on how difficult you want to make the game. Yes, you're focused to the right of the screen when you're playing. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the overheating, like I always forget. Like I don't want to overheat, and I would like to manage my overheating more, but I just can't because like I can't look. My peripherals don't let me. You'll see I either don't shoot too much, or I overheat way too often. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, this doesn't. I wanted to replay that level. This looks like a much easier level. I wanted to play with the asteroids. Who's the easy boss? Oh, it's the same guy? Get wrecked. What about a mini version of the icon above the ship? That'd be pretty cool too. Yeah, honestly, maybe even just increasing the size would be good enough. Customization shop. Earth military conglomerate. We can buy new color that can be applied. An enforcer, projectile, and then shape. This item was too expensive. A color. So I can only buy colors, and all these weapons, they're just here to bait me. Cool little thing to add to your, if you want to add like just a little bit more polish to the purchasing of these things, showing what it does too. Like maybe showing what, like if it's like a shotgun, make sure like to show the projectile of it, or like a little animation, little window. I'm just adding, like I'm just, you know, spitting out ideas so that people can see like, oh, this does that, you know, instead of like, this is all, honestly, there's a little bit too much text. For me personally, I think it's a little too much text. I feel like your UI, yeah, and you can buy one weapon mod. I not a bad idea. So I can buy this one, but it's too expensive. Let's see, okay. Cool stuff though. All right. This one's gonna give me 12. Oh, is this a actual mission? This one is a story mission. Okay. Oh, I gotta take a caffeine pill real quick. Oh, there's no pause button? No pause? Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I was just gonna restart. Pause will be in the DLC. Sounds good. Oh, dude. Okay. Also, I don't know if it's because like maybe my like sometimes it like does this with the controller. I don't know if it's because I have like a bouncy analog stick. Yeah, delay between inputs. That's a good idea. Because that's why I pressed OK. I meant to press restart, but it pressed OK instead. Same for that, yeah. Was I like you can press the button again so it like restarts the scene or restarts the timer to start the scene. The music's a banger, by the way. I like it. You know, having a little reward for like setting your cooldown would be pretty cool too. At least get like giving the player something to do while they're overheated. It would be nice, because then like, you know, I could try to keep going by collecting something. Just again, I'm just spitballing ideas. You don't have to listen to them, but because like I mean, increasing the I'm sure upgrades will make, you know, shooting and stuff more powerful later on. But yeah, it feels very limiting right now. Yeah, exactly. A little something, a minigame. Yeah, even a minigame would be pretty cool. Like, you know, pulling the engine rope thing, you know? Something like that. Or like a little like trigger that you have to like hit. Yeah, that would be nice. It's actually a really good idea. You gotta put me in the credits now. Oh my god, I almost died there. Yeah, exactly. They do this. They do something similar. Well, they don't do something similar in. I remember watching a GMTK video actually, where it was like they would reward reloading if you can get the skill check. Yeah. What did I say? Did I say Gears of War? Did I say God of War? Yeah, Gears of War. Yeah, if you would get the skill check, you would just get. I think it would get like faster reloads, but they also balanced it by. You know, the last few bullets of your gun would give you like more powerful shots. I see how the game gets harder. But still too easy. Increased damage for a few seconds. Yeah, it was like the last few bullets just did more damage. Oh. Because, you know, someone who's really good will reload pretty often. By the way, do you do all the art? And it's time consuming? Well, it was definitely worth it, I gotta say. It's very good looking, yeah. Did you also make the UI? The UI is also really clean, like super clean. Alright, I forgot what this is. Can't buy anything yet. Damn, you should also give us a sneak. You should make like maybe a week, at least a showcase an early upgrade, because it takes a long time before we can actually see a new weapon. Everything except the fonts where I purchased commercial license and commissioned someone. I see. Yeah, that makes sense. Was this commissioned? The free cat battle? Was that the font you're talking about? Or actually, I don't know. Oh shit. I also wish, like, I'm not amazing at these types of games, but I wish the game got harder already. And like maybe, yeah, like make it harder, and then like having upgrades would be good, like sooner, you know? Because the game feels a little grindy when you like can't afford anything yet. Oh shit. Or maybe just reward people, like, you know, if you do a good job. Maybe I'm not doing a good job, but like if they don't get hit at all, give them more money so that they could upgrade faster and do harder missions. Something like that. I wouldn't say I'm that good, but I feel like the game is, as I say that as I'm taking a lot of damage, I feel like the game is spoon feeding me at the moment. Angle your ship up and down. Spoon finning. Yeah, spoon finning. Hey, yo, clip that. That'd be so funny if you clipped me, you know, saying a word incorrectly. Why is this? Yeah, I gotta say, like, we're back to the one boss fight. Looks great though. Yeah, okay. So I think my biggest issue is that, okay, one, the game is a little slow at the moment. It's a little too easy. The upgrades are like to get to the upgrades. Let me see. I can't afford anything, right? Buy colors. Yeah, it's so very grindy. Almost able to get the EMC weapon. Let me see. How much is EMC? 1200 or 12? What is that? 123,000. Okay. All right. Better be a high-paying mission. With reputation decrease. Oh, am I playing with the right? I'm not sure who I played with. Yeah, how's it going, Redstone? Also, your combo is in the top right. What? How does? All right, let's see. Yeah, how do I get good combos? Do I just have to collect coins? I have to be good with collecting coins, or killing. Oh my god. Alright. Oh, I should have been collecting. Four max combo, I see. So I got 12. Okay, I see. Okay. Level up. Ooh, now we can buy the. Who can we buy it from? This one? The Devastator? You play for the EMC since the beginning? Okay. Alright, does it automatically... Do I have to... Alright, I think this has to be the last one because I do need to go. But yeah. This game is really good. I gotta say. My biggest pet peeve is that it's very slow. Like, the progression is slow. And it's a little grindy. And it's also a little too easy at the moment. I know you said it gets harder, but yeah. Maybe make it harder in the beginning. Maybe reward the, or like, you know that mini game that you were talking about? I feel like that would be great. Ooh. I like this. Oh no, I overheated. I want to get more coins. Grindy is expected, slow isn't. I see. Oh my god. Those dudes are kind of crazy. Oh, I see. You can see they're shooting the... That's pretty cool. You can see like their charge up. I feel like maybe you should make that slightly more obvious though. New weapon? This is exactly... This needs to happen sooner, I gotta say. But yeah, now it's good. Now I want to play more, but now I have to go. Oh, there's more. I thought it was done. I was gonna be like, oh, that's too easy. Now it's... Oh! Whoa, shiny. This needs to be... I gotta say, dude, yeah, definitely put this earlier in the game. This is so, like... First impressions are very important for your game. And, like... I would have loved to see this very early on, you know? It definitely is an increase in difficulty, and I might not even be good enough to beat it. But that doesn't matter, like... You know, at least make it like... I mean, you can maybe make the shooting easier for the player so that it is easier to like kill the mobs at the beginning. Yeah, pacing is super important for sure. I struggle with that in my game too. I gotta say, okay, another... Again, take whatever I say with a grain of salt. Like, you know the design of your game more than me. I think the best form of feedback is just watching me play, and then you do what you can with that information. But one thing that I would suggest... What did I want to say? Shit, I already forgot. I think I wanted to... Yeah, the mini game. Oh yeah, we were talking about the mini game for like recharging, because that would add an extra element. But if the later parts of the game are very difficult, maybe that's also very hard for people to manage. So maybe just reducing that overheat would be pretty good. Oh my god. I don't think we're gonna get past this. Alright, I think we'll call it there. We'll call it there. But this is great. This has been great, man. Check out the upgrade menu. Okay. Mod upgrades? Oh, this is pretty cool. Efficiency. What's happening? Oh, I see. It's a different currency. This is pretty cool. Also, honestly, showing this early on in the game is a good idea, in my opinion. Yeah, again, like, first impressions are really important, especially for an indie game. People are not gonna, like, sometimes people won't give you the light of day. So, like, showing stuff like this this captured my interest right away. So I would have loved to see this sooner. Cause I know, like, I like seeing progression, or like the ability to progress, and like we were blocked by, like, can't upgrade yet. Should not lock any of the menus. Yeah, you should not. Yeah, but it's good. You have a lot of potential here. Also, okay, so yeah, feedback is update the UI a little bit, like make it bigger or just more obvious for the player. The recharge needs to the overheating situation needs to be fixed with either like a mini game, an extra mechanic, or like just collecting something to reduce your time. Upgrades, make the game harder, faster, or more rewarding. Like bring the player up to speed faster, in my opinion. But yeah, make sure, because like the pacing was kind of weird. It was like super easy, like almost like boring easy, and then super hard at like that next level, and I was like, whoa, it was kind of overwhelming. That's legit and gonna be brainstormed and updated for sure. Yeah. Also, yeah, I'm only one person. I'm sure you know what's best for you. This is just from my perspective. Hope you don't take it with too much salt. But I hope you also appreciate the feedback, because I do think it, like, what I'm not saying it just to be like mean or anything. I do think the game is like really good, but there's certain elements, especially for this type of game, it has a lot of potential. So I'd like to see certain improvements. But yeah, good shit, man. I was not expecting it to be this good. Like, cause I've actually haven't been on your stream enough to like see the development and everything like that. So this was a nice surprise. Very insightful, yeah. My feedback is good. Like, I mean, like, feedback is good in general, but just watching someone play is like the best form of feedback. So yeah. All right, let's see who's streaming, because I do gotta go. For anyone interested, I would greatly appreciate. Oh, actually, here, let's also put your Steam page. I think you're still hiding it behind your website, but I'm not gonna flame you for that for today. Here's Shidy's game. Give him a wish list. He's been working really hard on this game. It has a lot of potential to be really good. Hey, I had a demo to roll out, true, but it's just a matter of posting the link right there. Like, you already have a nice looking page. Might as well just add a little Steam page image right there. Or a Steam page link right there. But if you don't like Shidy's game, there's also this game. No, I'm kidding. You should wishlist both. because they're both really good, both by really good developers who are passionate about their projects. Here's my game. But yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. We'll probably stream in. We'll see if I stream again later today, like this in like 9 hours or so. We'll actually see, because like, I'm gonna be hanging out with my friends. I'm gonna be drinking, so I might be hungover. We'll see. I'm not gonna drink that much. Probably like 2 beers or something. But yeah. Let's see who's online. We got Back Cop is streaming. We got let's just see if anyone else is. Who do you guys want? Bad Cop. We got Irish John. Irish John is popular. Red Cabin. I'm gonna go for Red Cabin because I haven't seen him in a while. Pixis. I'll go for Pixis. All right. Sorry. Who was I just about to raid? Red Cabin. Oh shit. All right. Let's go. We're going for Pixis. I do have to go, so please show him some love, because I'm gonna be going and raiding and dipping. What's the phrase? Raid and dash, whatever. Laters, peace. Octo, peace. Meow, peace. Shiny, Half Moon. Who else? Everyone else who's on the stream. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye now.
Yo, Practical, what's good? I'm so upset I still don't have a